Alright, I need to record the process of creating a knowledge base entry. So here I am watching a cool fucking PBS Space-Time thing, and yeah, here I am, conformal field theory. That's what we're doing right now. So I'm in my TPDB Obsidian markdown database, and so I went ahead and I created the conformal field theory knowledge base article. And importantly, when self-referring to conformal fields or field theory, well, let me just explain. Let me just show this to explain. So, a thing that is going to be complicated to figure out is how do we determine what is a topic or what is an entity or not, and what is like a loop back instead. We use loopbacks to encode more data into an entity than just the entity itself has. So this is an entity with a loopback, and this is just a regular entity. The invariant, it just links to a page. There is a page. I don't even know that I actually have anything on it yet. I haven't actually even put anything in it yet, but this is a non-loopback, and it just, you see a quantum field theory is invariant, and that's all you see. Now here, the next thing you see is under conformal transformations, but where it says conformal transformations, what you're looking at is actually conformal field theory. It's actually, as a matter of fact, the article that we're looking at right now, but we are using our markdown like runtime, basically, and this methodology with the pipe to encode more so information in the natural language processing context into this functional backlinking. I just realized I need to explain how that's functional. Why is it even important? The reason why this has to be an entity, and as a matter of fact, anytime we talk about conformal field theory in here, that's not right. You should not ever have it as plain text, because there's no reason for that to be plain text when it literally is an entity. So what I'm talking about here is using the entity, using the knowledge base as a sort of tag to whatever nomenclature you want to actually show up in the NLP sense. CFT correspondence, or whatever. Let's just do CFT. CFT. So now we are encoding CFT onto conformal field theory. Conformal field theory has to exist because it is the word conformal field theory, and conformal field theory is an entity within the KB. So within the KB, anytime we want to refer to conformal field theory, but we don't necessarily, or no, that's not right. Anytime we want to refer to an entity that is tangential or is just perpendicular even to conformal field theory, yeah, that even works because of backlinking. Suffice to say, if it has a relationship to conformal field theory, what we can do is encode that relationship in the link to conformal field theory. So I think what that means is simply encoding the entity. We also, or encoding the category, we also encode the morphism to the category via piping. Okay? I think that's a pretty good description.